Good morning. My name is Gerriana Jackson. I came to this program because Jordan Center gave me another chance at life after coming in contact with law enforcement. The Jordan Center helped me with job placement. I had two jobs, job placement and housing. After working at the Jordan Center, I applied for MTA, so I'll be working with MTA shortly. In housing, I went in housing and found a few apartments, so I'm just waiting on the call back. The workers at the Jordan Down Center, they always call and make sure that I'm on top of my stuff with what I need to be done. And if I'm not, they have me come in and then help me with it.
My name is Malik Broussard. I showed up looking for a job opportunity. And I don't guess you guys granted me with a job opportunity by looking over my resume, giving me some advice on like my demeanor and everything when it comes to the interviews and orientations, and basically just was how can I say, was just in my and was just best in my favor with everything. That's all I could really say at this. I mean, you guys assisted me with applying for the jobs and housing, so I could have an address for a job when I applied.